So now I'm going to do new project from the beginning. File, new, okay, and then new project. Okay, all right. Okay, so now when the selecting a project template start, we are starting doing a new project. Okay, so we choose as normal empty activity, this one,
Yeah,
then
empty
next.
activity.
Okay, and then here we are changing. We will call it money converter. Okay, it will be money converter too because I already have one before.
Yeah.
Okay, and this one actually it's the usually when you need to put like your email or the package. So here, let's say um, okay, com dot money converter. It's just package. Usually, if this one use it later when you upload to the Google Store. So you need to related your work to your website or your company name. But for now, we don't have company, so we just do. Some people they just put their email, also accepted. Okay, we use Java because there is two options, Fulton and Java. We are programming with Java, and this one it keep it the default. Okay, and then just if you have noise background, mute it, guys, so you can at least the video later be clear when I record it.
Yeah.
Okay, finish. So we need to wait because now it's creating a new project.
Oday, tusaq galasi cannot.
Guys, if you have noise background, just mute it.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Can you hear any sound from my side?
I don't know from which side. How I know?
Oh, mine is clear, I think.
Okay. Okay. Now it's creating project. Okay. Mamoon, you can tracking with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
I just outside my home
Oh,
because inside my room, you mobile no network. That's why I just use the extension cord, then bring my laptop outside.
oh, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so now we have a new project. We need to wait. It's still creating. Until this one, a Gradle build stop, we have to wait. This is the default a new project, so we need to wait until the end. So we see the building and waiting.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
how was your country?
I don't think, I don't know. Same as like everywhere. And the bad things that we don't have real record for the current state.
But yesterday night I saw the China was fifth position. Now is the last position.
Yeah, of course.
We have
Because
20
they already
breast cases
follow,
in my
yeah,
country.
because they are follow the um, the safety, they follow the rule. When they sit at home, they sit at home. I mean, some of them even they use the by force. You saw some video that police forcing people to do checkup, forcing people to back home. If not like this, we cannot improve. But people sometimes they don't care, they care less.
Yes.
Okay, now done. Okay, I have it. So now what we have, as we know, the layout and the Java. Both of them is our main two windows. We are work with it to program our code. Okay, so I'm waiting the layout to come. So the main item inside the layout, we have the text view, we have the image, we have the button, we have the plain text. So today we need first to work with the principle. I cannot open another window to write, because if I open, then the Android will hang. Okay, first what we need to do. Okay, let me hide this one. Sorry, hide this one. Hide this one. Okay, I need to wait for a while. Okay, and then here. Okay, guys, this is a very important part. I want you to be with me. First, you delete this. Okay, now don't do anything. Just watch me, and then you will do later.
Sure.
Okay, inshallah. So now I'm just designing. I'm not programming. So what I need is depend on you. For me, I design it to be like this. See my code. This one I coded yesterday. Okay, so I will show you what it should look like. Okay, this is I coded yesterday. So I make the amount in Malay and then I convert it to dollar. Amount in dollar I convert it to Malay. Let's say I want to have 450 ringgit, and then for dollar I have $600. Okay, then done. Now I want to see the ringgit to dollar. I press here, then here, 112.5 the dollar, 450 equal $112.5. Okay, if I want to convert the dollar to ringgit, it's show 600 is 2,400 ringgit. Okay, so what I have in this layout, I have image view, I have text view, I have plain text position number, and two buttons. Okay, this one I'm going to design it one by one. Okay, there is something, if you remember here, we let me go to project layout. Okay, we call it resource. Okay, inside resource we have the drawable and we have the layout. Okay, if you want to add any image, it cannot be detected, not only image, video, audio, if you not add it to the resource. So if you have image, but you, let's say I insert image here, but I didn't add it to the resource, it will not be shown because it's not inside their project. So you have to add everything here if you want it to be show inside your layout when it's run. Okay, so now other thing, before I do that, I want to show you something. Just to review whatever we learn. So this is empty background. Of course, you can change the background if you want. It's not necessary to keep the same. Let's say I want to change the main background. Okay, so basically it's when it's 6FFF, it's mean this one hexa, it's been white, but still you can change it. Okay, we can make like okay, it's become yellow or any other color you can choose. Is up to you. Let's say blue, light blue, and the transparent, the degree of the color. This one is up to you. Okay, so this is the hexa number, and this is the RGB. And if you want just to pick from here, so I just want to change the color to show you. Guys, can see this? Please just mute it. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, now this is the first thing. Okay, we need to wait. Yeah, okay, now, so what we want to add picture first. Okay, this one is up to you. So to add picture, we need to choose first the picture. For me, I choose this one. I search online and find this picture. Okay, we can choose another type of picture. Okay, let me search. Okay, it's up to you which one you want to choose. Okay, we can choose this one. Okay. Okay, and then we save it. Okay, right click.
ورانا لكم ما شيدت معاه مالكم ما شيدتي
Okay, and then we save image. And up to you, of course, you can choose whatever image you want. But this one, how we search and find picture related to the object. Okay, we save. Okay. And okay, I will put it inside picture and save. Okay. Now I come here again. Come here. Okay, before I add image, I need to add to the resource. Okay. Project, app, resource, global. So the easier way, we go to here. Where is my pictures? Okay. Okay, let me change the name. Money exchange. Okay. And then I drag it. Don't stuck. Sorry. Okay, we have other option. Control C. Come here. Paste. Okay, now he asked me, you want to add it? I said okay. And he asked me about the name if I want to change. I said okay. So now I have it here. Okay. So now I can start do my design. So the first thing, I want to add picture. Okay, I will, for me, I design it like this. Okay, I design it like this. It's for you, it's up to you. You design it however you like. Okay, the first thing I need to add image view. So I bring the image view. Then he will ask me which one you want. This one I upload. So I will choose this one. Okay. He will bring it here. So, okay. If you don't design it properly, it will show error. So now I bring it to the middle. Then you see here, there is red sign. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So I want to show you what is going on. You see here the constraint, there is error. Why? Because I didn't align and do the layout in a proper way. So what I need to do, I need to like hang it or clip it to the top, and then clip it to the right, clip it to the left. Okay, so now the error gone. It's already connected. And usually we use the matching constraint, which is make it like full screen. If you don't want, like me, you want it to stick to the top, so you just easily come here and make it 0, enter. So now I have it like this. Okay, so this is the first part. If you want to make it bigger, you can, but this is the size, the origin size of the picture, so we just can keep it like this. So until here, okay, no issue, right? So I think that the best color, we make it a gray, so it will match with the okay, we can do like this one. It's a little bit more. Ah, yes, this one is nice. Okay, enter. Okay, now we finished the first part. Second part, what I need text view to check, like, please insert or convert your money. So I need to pick text view. This one, easy part. I bring it here. Okay, I come here. Then what I want to do, first I increase the size. Okay, then I come here and write whatever I want to write. I said, please insert the amount that you want to convert. Okay, this one takes a view, already appeared here. So most important, you see error. Why? Because I didn't put the constraint. So I should connect it to the top, which is connect to the parents, because always you have to have connecting to the top, left. Okay, left and right. Okay, so now I connected. Okay, let's say I'm not happy with the size, the font size. I want it to be more bigger. Easily we can do. Here is the font size. Let's say make it 20. Okay, we have different scale. This one we call it scale independent pixel. This for text we use this type SP. For picture we use DP. So this is type of unit we use it. So the size change. Okay, I can just bring it a little bit. Okay, of course you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can change the font. All this you can do. Okay, you can change the background if you want. All this is adjustable. If you want to make it center, okay, you come here and you can want to choose center. So I can make it like centerized. Okay, now, until now, everything okay, right, everyone? So whatever you do here, it's shown here. So this is the picture, how it will show. Now, what else I need? I need to have the text where I insert the value for ringgit and for dollar. So first I will do for ringgit. Okay, then what I need to go to text. Text have different type of object we can use. So for me, I need number. Which number? Decimal, because I want to insert like 4 ringgit point 5 cent. I can. So I want it to be decimal. So I drag and drop here. Okay, this number 1. And when I do like this, also I have to adjust my work. First, I connect it to the top and to the right. This is very important, otherwise it will show error. And then what I want to write here, I want to make it like RM amount. So I know this one, or amount in RM. Later, it's important for you to differentiate between the texts. Enter. Okay, it's already changed. What else I want to change? I want to add hint, so it will show here. Okay, the hint said insert amount in RM. What does mean hint? It will show here. So when you want to insert amount, it will ask you to put, you see, this one. When you come, it will show. Okay. What other things? Okay, this one. No, I need to keep it like this because I'm going to connect it. Oh, sorry. So you see, guys, insert amount and ringgit. What else I need? I need button. I go to the button. I need to choose this button. I bring it here. You see how I play with the layout? I need to make it in a correct way. Increase it. You can see, guys, what I'm doing. Okay, now the button is more important part also. So I have to check the layout. I connect it to the top, and then I connect it to the right and left. Okay, now everything is fixed and it will be work in a proper way. So the button, what I want, RM $2. Okay, enter. Okay, basically, of course, I want here to add, this one is the ID. It's just like your ID. Later in programming, we can use it. But what I want to see here, the text, I want to see RM $2 $. Enter. Okay, now until here, the layout done. Okay, there is nothing else. Okay, I will not do the other part. I will just do this one part. I want you to apply, then we continue with the other part. Until here, any question? Guys, open the mute and tell me if you have any question.
No, ma'am.
Everything okay?
Understand. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Abdulrazak, Mu'taz, clear? Guys?
Mrs.
Yes,
is
miss.
very clear and loud.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so now we are going to start with the serious part. Okay, what we need to make this one active or make it react, we should first add method. How we add method? We come here. There is option called on a click. It's mean when it's a click, what you want to do. I will add the function name. Okay, the function name is RM, or I can say convert RM to just like this, RM to $. Up to you how you write it. Click. Okay, so this is the name of your method. So it's just like the function name. Enter. Okay, why it's red? Because he is telling me there is nothing function like this. So we need to go to Java. Now it's time to program. We go to Java. Okay, now this is the basic code that you find it in Java. So we are going to start writing the code for running this part. Okay, to run any part, you need to import the library, and this is the public class for the main activities. Inside it, we are writing the code for other components. Okay, so I want now to program the click. So what I do, I said public. Okay, so sorry. Now, what is type of function or method? It's void. What does it mean void? It means return nothing. This function is return nothing to me. It's just do action, but don't return value. So this one we call it a void. Sorry, void type of method. Okay. Now, what else we need to do? We need to add the function name. What was the function name? Space, Control V. This one I copied. This is the button of the function name. And what is the button for me? It's view and type view. Okay, so sorry. The first one will be capital. The second one, the definition of it will be sorry, small. Okay, enter. Why it's red? Because he asked me to import this one. So you just come here, import a class. So I add the class. Now it's fine. Okay, now I start program. Open two curly brackets and you start program. Okay, now what I want the value. Okay, I will back here. That I take it from this text. I multiply it from ringgit to dollar. It means I divide it by the rate of the currency and then show it as message. Okay, I just need from you more focus because this part is little bit it's a little bit complicated, but it's not, it's just first time. Okay, we come here. So what we need to do, I have edit. Okay, edit text, and this one is, this class is edit text, which equal the edit text. Okay, text. Okay, anything here when it's showed red because it's not import the class. When I import the class, it will be normal. So edit text, and then what? Oops, sorry. Here. So what I want now to call the ID or bring the ID or find the text ID that I'm looking for. So what I write, find, enter. Once you press enter, it will generate the rest of the code. And then reference ID, which one? He showed to me. He showed to me money converter reference. So for me, which one I have? I have dot. Which one I have? I have amount and ringgit. So this is the text I created, right? Okay, let me back to here. Oh, sorry. I back to here. So this one, if you come, what is the ID name? Amount in RM. Edit text. So this is the value. I will take it from here. So I come here and write. So once I write dot, you remember this in the completion code, that is the option that we can complete the code by just click the code. Now I call and I take the value. Now let's say when I insert 12, the value will be tracked and bring to here. Okay, here is error. Okay, should not be. Now this one, to finish, I need to add semicolon. This statement done. Until here, I'm just taking what? I'm taking the value. Okay, now I need to define the amount of, I need to define like variable. Okay, so which variable I have? I have string. The string who? The string is amount in rm. This string, I take it from who? I will take it from the text, ed text, okay. I take it from text dot get text, okay, enter. You see, just I press enter, it will work. Dot string, okay. So this statement is to define what is the define of this variable. So this one is text type. Now to do any operation, I cannot take, okay, the value from edit text is text. So for that, I define it as text, and I get it and save it as text and put it here. Now, to do any mathematical operation, I cannot work with text. I have work with either integer or double. Ma'moon, you study with me C#, right? You remember when we study about double and C#?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so double is something like real number when you have dot something. And do you remember how we convert the text to double? It's just simply, we do like this. Okay, we need to define double. Okay, this is type like string. Okay, we need to define amount in ringgit, but this one what? This one double. Okay, this one I will get it from who? I will get it from double dot, sorry, parser. Okay, enter. Which one I want to convert to double? This one. This one is string, right? I want to convert to double because I want to be number. So I will put inside it the value of this one, which is amount in ringgit. So it will show. So this step do what? Semicolon. This is step do what? Okay, now I take the text from the text edit, and then I put it, I define this variable to take the text from the text edit. And then now this text actually is number, but because this text taking only text, either it look like number, but actually it's a string. So what I have to do, I have to convert to double. Double, it's mean real number. Why? Because it have decimal dot number. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Now I do the calculation. Now I already have the variable, which is taking from the text. Now simple, I need to define the operation. So double, but of course to do it, I need to do some calculation. So amount in dollar double. This name I call it to differentiate, but you are free to call whatever you want. But if you don't call it in this way, later you will lost. So now to convert this value to dollar, what I need to do amount in ringgit double, because I cannot take string, I need to take double. What I do else? Divide by 4. If I want to convert ringgit to dollar, I have to divide by 4. We assume that the currency or the currency change rate is 4. Okay, and then this one, done, semicolon, enter, done. Now the operation until here done. Now what I want to show the message. How I show? To show the message, I need to convert again the double to string. So how I do convert it? I said string. This one I need to define amount in dollar, but this one string. This is variable, I define it. This one come from where? Come from string. Okay, I need to write string dot format. Okay, and then we need to open a bracket, and we need to put inside it amount. Which one I want to convert to string? This one, the result,
Ringgit.
right? No, the result. Okay,
Yes,
now,
yes.
okay, the result that okay, the dollar I need to convert to string, then I can show it as message. Okay, double click, semicolon. Okay, let's see what he suggests to me. Okay, okay, okay. He suggests to me to add this one. Okay, done. So this one, done. Now time to print the message. There is something, we call it toast. Toast is this message that appear and hide, appear and hide. So we need to call the toast. Okay. Once I write toast, it will ask me create a new toast. I said yes. Why I double click? Because easily will import the library of toast. So this one, this is mean this application. So what I want to see, I want to see that this ringgit is equal this amount in dollar. So how I write? I write like this. This RM, and then what I do? Plus, now which RM, the value that I insert at the begin is this one, right? Control C, Control V. Okay, this ringgit plus what? Why I'm doing a plus? Because I want to concatenate, so I want to show like message. So this amount, which is in ringgit, I want to write message now. Continue. Is equal to dollar, and then what is the value that I have to put? That one I calculated, which is going to be my calculation, is the dollar string. I cannot take the number because this one is message and I have to concatenate between the message. Control C, come here, plus Control V. Okay, now my work is, I want the message to stay long, so instead of short, I write long. Okay, enter. Okay, now everything ready for running. Okay, so any questions so far before I run?
No, ma'am.
Abdrazak, Mu'taz, guys.
Yeah, everything is clear.
All good, miss.
Okay, so inshallah it will not take long time. I will, yeah, let's pray inshallah not take long time. So Bismillah,
Bismillah.
because I'm ready from the time. So we just need to wait until it's run. And I like to see the event to see what is running behind. I will let you know there is something I did. It's little bit increase the speed of running. There is actually I search online how to fast the running of
Android
Android.
Studio.
Yeah, so there is some setting little bit change. Actually, I didn't see very huge difference, but little bit better. And there is recommendation if you have Android phone. For me, I don't have Android phone. So if you have Android phone, then it will make the run is more faster because the emulator take from the memory minimum 8 giga.
Yeah.
Um, you will see the size. So of the so it's recommended if you have Android device, you run directly to device. I mean, test on your device. It will save a lot of time. I didn't try. I don't know it's how much it will save, but yeah, it will save time as is recommended.
Miss, I want to ask you something about
Yeah,
advanced database.
yeah. Ask,
You
dear,
said
ask.
that you need us to submit the 10, creating the 10 tablets.
Mm-hmm.
I heard that you need to submit. Is that
Yeah,
true?
yeah, true.
But we have already done in class, Miss, and we have shown it to you.
Yeah, true. But I need to have your work
Okay.
and to see it.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, my dear.
the assignment 2 and 3 I already upload in LMS,
Uh-huh.
and the 10 table one, whatever I did before, but I changed the windows, that's why I lose. Then I did again. I sent you by email.
Okay, no issue.
Now pending is only assignment 1. I will try to do by tonight. But my issue is the net.
Okay. Okay, guys, you see the error? What he asked me to do? He said
Yeah.
your file name is in capital letter. It's not acceptable. It should be lower letter.
Yeah.
So I need to go. Okay, I need to wait first. I just need to edit this one and then we will run again. Okay. Yes, dear. Say what you was saying, dear.
Me?
Yep. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do yeah. Mamun, you was saying something.
Yes, ma'am. The assignment 2 and 3 I already submit in LMS,
Mm-hmm.
and the 10 table one I did before, but I lose because of I changed the windows. Then I did again before yesterday, and I already mail you.
Oh, okay.
And now pending in only assignment one. I think I will do by tonight if Wi-Fi will fix.
Inshallah. Okay. So I want to delete this one first. Okay. Okay, delete anyway. Okay, because he said it's affected this. It's still fine. No worry. Control C. Come here. Control V. Okay. Okay. All right. So I need to add the image again. Okay. Okay. But I need dot JPG. Okay. Let me write down. Okay. Now it's okay. All right. So we back again. Now we run again. So the resource is already okay, fine. So far, no issue. Who is watching video, watching movie and listening to class? One of you, I hear like video or movie background. All right, just a little bit taking time. It's fine. Android taking time, so it's fine. You can. Guys, did you study Java before?
What, miss?
Java?
Java, I took with Mr. Hassan, yes. I
Okay.
think so, yeah.
So actually, because the most of the work is needing. So now done is installed inside the phone. So you see, now we are waiting to installing
Yeah.
the application inside the phone. Um, there is no error.
Okay.
So we just now need to wait because, of course, to run it, you need to install it inside. Okay, it's already successful install. Now time for test. Okay, so
Oh,
we need to insert, let's say, 55.50 in ringgit. Done. Bring it to dollar. It's equal to $13.875. You see the message?
yeah. I see.
That's the frame. All right, I come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. 1 second. Control. Oops. Control V. Okay. So it's okay. Let me run again. Ah, I cannot. Okay, run. Okay, snapshot. So now you can see.
Install successful.
Yes. So now your task is doing this. Okay. And then when you finish, you do the other part, which is you take the value from dollar, you convert it to ringgit. Any question until here?
No, miss.
Okay, so now the video with you. Actually, I can send you the video as Ma'moon request, but the issue, the video might not explain step by step as this. So I prefer to explain it to you. And then now you have the video and you have my explanation, you can do. The
Yes,
mathematical
ma'am.
principle and
With your video and whatever you record now and explanation, then we can do better, ma'am. It's very
yeah.
nice.
So I want you to finish this task and then you add the other. Or I want you to make it like my previous. Okay, now I have application. I will show you my application. You see, sorry. Oops. Okay, see now I have two application, money converter and convert currency. So money converter, the new one, the convert currency. I will show you this one. So I want you to add the other part. Now the first one I do it with you. 700 next. $100 point 79 cent. Done. So I want to see the ringgit. I want to see the dollar. Okay, so I want you to do this one. Okay, you need to add this part, and don't use the same picture. You can use, you see, I make it like left align in the other application. Okay, okay, sorry, in the other application, like money converter, I make it the center, and I change the picture. So now you can do, I mean, just you need to add another text view and another button. Any question until here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I will leave you to do this work, and I want to, from you, to send me the code. I mean, you need to save it at the end. Okay. Basically, when I save it, I create folder and Android. Okay, you see, guys, I created here. So I have my own folder. So this one, you need to email it to me. So you need to save it, and then the full project, you need to email it.
Ma'am, email can send by WhatsApp.
No, this one is huge. I think it's not good by WhatsApp because you need to zip file and send it. It's whole project
Because
because you see
because
when you
last
open
time,
it.
yeah, because last time I tried to email this file, but email there show is the upload fail. Then I send by WhatsApp.
If it's work for you, just do whatever. You just zip file and do. But before you zip
Okay.
file, you need to. I mean, you need to make sure that your work is saved, and so you need to save all. Okay, before you. Okay, now I end the running, and then you can guys see little bit faster than before, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is the task for today. You just need to work on it. For your exam, I already explained. You need to study the material, and this will be similar to open book. But for me, if you know how to program, it's 1,000 times important than the written exam because it's at the end is a programming part. It's not written part or theory part. So thank you so much for today. Inshallah, all the best for exam. We will be in touch because I think from next week you will start final exam. So we have to postpone. I mean, not postpone. I mean, all classes finished, done. We are just practicing.
Ma'am,
Um,
1 minute.
yeah, yep, dear.
Ma'am, our total, I have three subject with you.
Hmm.
So the exam is that the fixed date, your subject, or just the timing?